Is it time to buy or sell Nebius Group N.v stock? In this video, we will explore Nebius Group N.v in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, and we are now ready to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has ranked Nebius Group N.v as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Throughout this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 93.52% since we initially recommended purchasing Nebius Group N.v 25 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.74% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could take either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 48.24% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -5.14% and 48.24%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 47.94%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -27.04% to 70.20% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $33 and $78.80. Our latest daily update for Nebius Group N.v includes the headline, Big Movements in Nebius Group N.v Stock Price on Thursday, moving 20.12% between high and low. The Nebius Group N.v stock price gained 17.54% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, rising from $39.39 to $46.30. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 20.12%, ranging from a day low of $41.40 to a day high of $49.73. Over this period, the price has experienced ups and downs, and there has been an 18.96% gain in the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 45 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 58 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.70 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $50.87, and the lowest price was $14.09. Currently, the price is 8.98% or $4.57 below the 52-week high of $50.87, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Nebius Group, trading under the symbol NBIS, is experiencing significant momentum in the artificial intelligence sector, showcasing impressive growth and attracting strong investor interest. The company has recently raised $1 billion in convertible notes, which is expected to fuel its expansion plans and support its strategy for a projected annual revenue run rate of $750 million to $1 billion by year-end. This marks a remarkable 385% year-over-year revenue increase in the first quarter and highlights Nebius's robust recurring revenue model. Today, shares have surged by over 21% as bullish market sentiment continues to drive interest in AI investments. In fact, since late last week, shares have skyrocketed nearly 29%, reflecting a broader enthusiasm surrounding the stock. Nebius's valuation is now comparable to major players like NVIDIA, despite still facing the challenge of profitability. However, investors should remain cautious. While the bullish outlook and aggressive growth strategy are encouraging, potential risks include high capital expenditure needs and competitive market dynamics. In the short term, such positive momentum could continue to propel the stock price. But sustained long-term profitability will be crucial for maintaining investor confidence and price stability. As the AI market grows, investors will be closely watching how effectively Nebius can translate its impressive growth metrics into lasting profitability without overly diluting shareholder equity. Analysts have assigned Nebius Group N.v stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, analysts also give the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nebius Group N.v. The stock of Nebius Group N.v. presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal reflecting the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $39.05 and $31.23. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. And since then, the stock has surged by 130.81%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, it is important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal stemming from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 41 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 151 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nebius Group N.v. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $39.14 and $38.92. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Nebius Group N.v. has support just below today's level at $39.14. If this level is violated, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $38.92 and $36.02. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, demonstrating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $8.33 between its high and low points, or 20.12%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.84%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nebius Group N.v., let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 410 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nebius Group N.v. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise quickly under the right conditions. In this scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and use volume to decide when to exit. On the downside, Nebius Group N.v. faces its first support level at $39.14. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $44.68, which represents a decline of 3.5%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a considerable level of risk. Moreover, a buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom that was identified 40 days ago. Is Nebius Group N.v stock a good buy? Nebius Group N.v shows several positive signals. However, they are not sufficient for us to recommend it as a buy candidate. At this moment, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we anticipate that Nebius Group N.v will open lower by 490 cents and begin trading at $45.81. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.